KARL-JAMES Langford Seek and Searching at video 11. Main D hill fault over there, and interesting enough, we've got this stone sticking out. So we've sort of got I believe we're looking at an east to west alignment. So that it shoots along there, and we've got Morion number 1. So video 11, is that going to be aligned? It's a very rich landscape that we're looking at. We're looking at Hendra-Gelli now, again heading all the way up to Treorchy. This sort of really deep, rich landscape of history, archaeology, change, mining. There's lots of medieval stuff up here and a hell of a lot of prehistoric stuff. So we've got an alignment. From a stone that we've seen previous video, and that's sort of aligned all the way sort of east west. So this is video 12, KARL-JAMES Langford, the Rhondda. Did I say video 12? Video 11. I'm getting confused now. Anyway, thanks for watching in the Rhondda.